Uh, yeah, that's the bike hanging on a screw that just hammered in because I don't have big nails and not a big screwdriver, so compromise with some climbing gear. And I think this is an accomplishment in itself. Yes, and problem is I already started. I just released the rear brakes so I can get the wheel out because it has to come out. And I have to do it in one go. I can't stop because if I do, stuff like this happens. This is half of the front brake, and I totally forgot how the other part fits. It should be simple, but nah, it's not. Not for me, this. Yeah, my toolbox. One tool, two tools, and three tools. That's all I have. And this is for when it stops being funny. Okay, how do I get the tires off? Hold up. For that, I use this. Should work, it's not sharp, so I don't puncture anything, I think. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on time lapse for this one. Oh, there are the new tires. I already had them. But dreading to put them on has put off the job for, well, at least a year. Yeah, time lapse. Well, there it is. Two really brand new tires. Yay! Now I hope it doesn't fall apart when I try it. This is all good. This is good. I'm having a bit of trouble with the rear brakes, but who needs brakes? Uh, yeah, front wheel went really well. And I expected a lot more troubles, but I did it. Yay me. Okay. Later.